Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to print a web page to PDF, and you come across a slight problem. The web page keeps converting into an A3 landscape format instead of the desired A4 portrait. Frustrating, right? Well, let's dive into this issue and figure out what's causing this hiccup. Now, the key to this dilemma lies in the CSS file of the web page. There's a specific code snippet that dictates the page size to be A3, which overrides the default settings for printing. This code snippet looks something like this: a page size, A3. This strict definition of page size is what's throwing off the browser's PDF printing function. Now we've pinpointed the solution to this pesky little problem. To tackle this, you have a few options at your disposal. One way is to use a PDF printer with more flexibility, like Foxit, which allows you to customize the page size as you wish. Another option is to try disabling or overriding the CSS code that sets the page size to A3. However, this workaround might be a bit tricky since the page code doesn't show up when printing. An alternative approach is to emulate the screen view in Chrome DevTools, adjust the CSS media type settings, and then proceed with printing. Voila! Problem solved, and you're now all set to print your web page in the desired A4 portrait format. In a nutshell, understanding the impact of CSS styling on print settings can save you from unexpected layout changes while converting web pages to PDF. So, next time you encounter a similar printing puzzle, remember to check the CSS for any size specifications. With these insights, you're now equipped to navigate through such quirks with ease. Alrighty then, happy printing, and remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any funny printing mishaps you've encountered. Thanks for watching, and until next time.